So hello guys, so in this video we're going to be creating this investment website. Yes, this investment website. Come, let me take you around the website. So the first thing is you log in. If you visit the site, you're going to see your login where you can put your phone number and your password. But if you're a first time user, you click on register. Now you can change this image on this area where you see those cows. You can change it. You can change the country code of the phone number to your country. So now you have to enter your phone number. So let me call 1. Okay, then the password. So let me use strong password. Okay, agree to terms and conditions. Now if you want to create an application, you can create an application and then they can download it from this area. So once you're done, you click on register and then you'll be registered and you'll be taken to the home page. So this is the home page of the investment website. As you can see, this is the home page. As you can see, if you have an investment, you click on invest. This is the invest page, this is the fund page, the team page, and the mine page. So let's go to the fund page and see. So this is the fund page. As you can see, this is the team page where you can refer someone, see your referral, and refer people. So if you're a level 1 user, level 2 user, you can see everything here. And then the mine where you see about your account. As you can see, this is about my account. You can connect your bank, check your password, withdraw, deposit. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to create this kind of website, and I'm going to put all the information required on the description of this video. So everything here can be changed, everything here can be edited to suit your need. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started.
Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to create an investment website. Yes, in less than 30 minutes you're going to learn how to create an investment website, and I'm going to show you the best hosting I use for this process and how to get started. So the first thing you need in creating this investment website without wasting much time is the domain name and the web hosting. So there are 2 different web hosting I use for this process. So the link are in the description, and I added the resources I use for everything in these websites in the description. So anything you need, just check the description of this video. So the first thing is to get a hosting account. I already have a hosting which I use to host investment websites. Yes, I have a hosting, so you can just check the description of this video and click on the link, and then you can purchase your hosting. So once you get your web hosting, you'll be taken to, you log into your cPanel, and then on your file manager you upload your file. Yes, you upload your file, the file given to you. There's a link down to download the template or the script for this website. So you click on upload. Now once you click on upload, it's going to bring you to this page where it asks you to upload the file you need to use. So I'm going to click on select file. Now once I click on select file, I'm going to put the file which I have, or the file which you are going to download from the link in the description if you are building the same site with me. Yes, I'm going to show you that. So you click on select file. So once you click on select file, you select the file. So let me click on select file. Now I'm going to pause it from here so I can select the file from my laptop and then upload it. So I'm going to pause it because I have a lot of file right here. So now I already uploaded the file. So this is the file, it's actually uploaded. Now I'm going to show you how you can continue from the process after uploading. Now while this is uploading, I want to open my file manager so I can start creating the database so as not to waste any time. So I'm going to go to my file manager. So this is my file manager. I'm going to select the database wizard. So my database wizard, I'm going to open the database wizard and then create a database for this website. So I'm going to call this database UX demo. So this is what I'm going to call it. I'm going to copy, click on next step. Now as I click on next step, it's going to ask me to create a username. So I'm going to use the same username so that it will be easy for me to edit. So now I'm going to enter a password. So let me call this Now I have that already. I'm going to click on create users. So click on create users. Now that we have this, we'll click on all privileges, then click on make changes. Now you see we have created our database easily, no stress, no problem, everything has been created easily. So I'm going to copy the username. So I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go back to our file which we have been uploading. As you can see, it has uploaded successful. Click on back. Okay, this is the script. So I'm going to click on extract. I'm extracting it into this part. Okay, now it is extracting. We have this. I'm going to click on close. You reload and you see that your website has actually been uploaded successfully. The next thing is to right click on your .env file and you edit it. So this .env file is what you use to connect your database with the website. So we come back to our .env file. As you can see, this is our .env file. So the first thing is we want to put in our username that we created. So come here. This is the one we have. So I'm going to change this, then put the password we created from that aspect. Now once we've done with that, the next is your domain name. So the name I'm using for this is this. So I'm going to come here, upload it here, add a secure protocol here. So now that you have this, I'm going to call this agro. So look for any other thing that's necessary. You can set your email setting here, your email notification here, but I'm not interested in setting that right now. So for you can set that here. If you have no idea, just replace everything you see here with your own domain name. So this is your .gmail. Let me just do this. Copy my domain name. So I'm going to put it here. Your hosting ports, the hosting I'm using is actually 465. So if you use the same hosting, then no problem. Support. So for that, the password, this is just a demo. I have not created any password, but I could say project 1212 hash. So is it here? Say yes, you leave it. Email from address. So I always like to use no reply. So at your domain name. So that's that. We have everything set successfully. So now that you have this, you click on save changes, and this part is done correctly. So we have that saved. So you see we have this part saved. Now the next thing is to go carry your SQL file. So the SQL file should be saved here, SQL file. So you download it. So I have downloaded it. So the next thing is to go upload it on your PHP Admin. So let's go to PHP Admin and upload that. So this is PHP Admin. You open it on a new tab. Okay, we have our PHP Admin open. As you can see, UX demo was the one we used. So everything here, I use them to test different files before doing a tutorial on it. So this is the one we are doing right now. So you click on import, then you select the file. This is it, add cow. Then we click on open, then you click on import. So now we have successfully linked our database with our front end of this website so as to make everything easier for us. So we successfully done that. Now while this is uploading, I'm going to go to the website, copy our website username, and then put it somewhere so we can just open it once we are done. So let's go. We're going to wait for it to upload before we complete the process. Okay, now our site has literally been imported correctly. So now that we have this imported correctly, let's go to our website and see how it looks like. Okay, this is it. Login, register. But if we see the mobile view, it's quite different from this on the mobile view. So let me open the mobile view for you. Inspect. So this is how it looks on mobile. You can change the image here. You can register. So someone can register from. Someone can register from here by clicking on the registered button. So once you click on register, you enter your name. Let's use any of this phone number. Let me remove that. Just do. You enter your password. So let me use 123456789. And then invitation code, and agree to the terms, and then register. The phone number must be 10 digits. So let's say okay, I hope that's correct, but we can change the number code inside the admin. I just want to register so we get to see how it looks. You can even add a web application to it from here. If you don't know how to do that, you just message me. I could literally assist you, but it's not free, as you can see. So this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. You can change the customer support URL, which is this, to a Telegram or a WhatsApp group link. So as you can see, this is everything here. So you have your invest, which is the order, but right now we don't have any order on the website. So you have your funds. You don't have any amount, but you can actually choose one of these. As you can see, you have mine. As you can see, this is your account. This is how much you have, deposit, withdraw. You can even do bank transfer, history, and what you have here. So guys, this is how you create an investment website. Yes, this is how you create an investment website. So that is that. So let's go to the admin. This is how it looks on desktop. So let's go to the admin. Now to go to the admin, you just click on /admin, and then you click on enter. Then to go straight to the admin login. Now the admin logins, you to get your admin password and your admin username, just come to admin here. So you see, this is your admin username. You copy it. Then your admin password, you set it yourself. So this is it, as you can see. Then your admin password, you copy it from here. Where's the password? So this is the one you have right now. It's encrypted. So all you have to do is to change the encryption to whatever you want. So let me go and change it. So where it's the password. So this is the password area. So I'm going to change it to admin@gmail.com also. So then use let's encrypt. So let's look for it. Encrypt. So you have this as your password, then you save and go. Okay, so we have our password set. So now let me go back and refresh this so that it connects automatically. So we have that. So post that here, paste it here, and you continue. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard looks. The dashboard is quite different. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's different. It's different. So here is your salary. Now everything here you can change when you click. Please wait a minute. Okay, so this is your VIP, this is your task where you give people tasks to do. This is your funds, this is manage customer, this is the investment. Now the major thing here is you want to set withdrawal and deposits. So that's the only thing important here. So to do that, you can manage method. So once you click on manage method, you could do some of your customization. It's a very basic file. You don't have to do a lot on it. You just set up whatever you need to set up and then you're good. So if you are using your crypto, you can use crypto payment gateway. If you are using BTC, whatever you're using, if you're using a bank transfer, you do it here. If you're also using a payment mix like Flockta, Paystack, you can add new and then set up with their API key, and then you are good to go. So guys, that's how you upload, that's how you create this is how you create an investment website for yourself. Yes, as I said before, everything on this website is actually, everything on this platform is on the description of this video. Everything you use is on the description of this video. You can get the file from the description, you can get the domain name from the description. So here you can change your currency. So this is where you change the Telegram link icon here. So this is your commission, your registration, and where you set most of your withdrawal settings from this place. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, my WhatsApp number is on the description. Yes, you can do it. If you want me to create this kind of website for you, please, you can message me on the my WhatsApp. And please, if you want me to create it for you, it's different from me selling script for you. So please be smart. Thank you. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video to someone that needs it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now, guys.